Today we're gonna show you how to wash a bike with some soap, some water and some cloths. Hey.
So as you can see, the bike is really dirty and we need to clean it.
As we all know, a clean bike is a fast bike. And a waxed bike is the fastest foot boy. So what do we need for a good bath? We need a bucket, another bucket, a shampoo. Hey, not this one. Yeah, some automotive grade shampoo, my boy. And the most important part, a good quality microfiber cloth. Let's get it.
Inside lane, missing exits, glued to the pavement. Between the lines, I'll keep my gaze straight ahead as the last stop flies by. No more waiting for the gun to fire. No more walking through revolving doors. I've gone around once, and I don't need to go around anymore. Break away, forget your sober case. Stop dwelling on empty words. Stop stalling in the doorway and cancel the cruise control. Switch it in the manual. Don't you wanna feel right? Setbacks, you can't win them all, but I'm proud I tried. I'm glad we had a dialogue. It's good to shape the mind. Speeding up the pace, turning up the heat, where I need to be for the first time. I'm taking risks, I'm casting off without a lifeline. Break away, forget your sober case. Stop dwelling on empty words. Stop stalling in the doorway and cancel the cruise control. Switch it in the manual. Don't you wanna feel right again? Don't you wanna feel whole? Don't you wanna feel?
Delicious. Now we gotta dry our bike with a microfiber towel so that we can prep the paint for waxing. Now that we are done washing the bike, we move on to the next step, which is waxing. So do enjoy. So this is how I wax my bike. I like to use my fingers instead of a sponge or a cloth because they kind of put microscopic scratches on your bike. So it's not good for the paint. wax is completely bonded to the paint. You can check by just swiping or sliding your finger across, and if it's a clean wipe, you're good to go.
You could be the muse to my passion. We can make love like an act of God. I just match my words to my actions. Magic in my life's everlasting. I say I could have the world or be with any girl, but something about your style makes me wanna man up. We should fill our cups, catch a flick and do some stuff. I'm used to one night stands, but with you that's not enough. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see ya. Please give me a sign, yeah.
Hey guys, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We post ride videos every Sunday. And also, before going, comment down below which part of the video you like the best.